Once again at 1 p.m. at Oklahoma City, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 70. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, central Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Mudd, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seminole, Mott, Roseboro, Bow Legs, Cromwell, St. Louis, Little, Lima, and Harjo. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement.